Hi, I'm Marth and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a few tips on how to create and improve your elevator pitch. So you're probably wondering, what is an elevator pitch? And it's really a 30-second intro as to who you are and what you do and how can you help the other person that you're speaking to. First off would be about introducing yourself and giving a summary of who you are. A lot of people typically get the view of a deep dive of the job and role that you do. The easiest way to remember is to keep it short and sweet so that your grandmother can relate. As an example, hi, I'm Marth and I'm a Senior Director in Cybersecurity, overseeing engineering, integration, and operations for cyber technology. The second would be explain what you want or how you can help them. This could be as easy as relating to an email that you received or a phone conversation with somebody. A great example would be about, hi, I understand you're having some difficulties with your product launch. Is there something I can do to offer and help you? The third would be then with a call to action. A call to action would be about, I'll follow up with you by later today, or I'll follow up with you in the next day or so. This is really helping get closure as well as follow up with the individual you're speaking to. And when you put this all into context, the biggest thing I could offer you is to practice. Practice in the mirror, and it's really about how you present yourself, and remember to speak slowly, breathe, and clearly articulate yourself. Drop me a line in the comment section below and let me know if you found these tips useful in improving your elevator pitch. As well, if you found the video useful, hit the like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos to come.